using a recursive formula. Well, the recursive formula tells you how to find the next number in the sequence given the previous, if you know the previous number. Okay, so for example, number 1, if the recursive formula for a given sequence of number is a sub n is equal to a sub n minus 1 plus 5. So n minus 1 is a sub n minus 1 is the number that is, what do you call that? The number before the next, all right? So, and then also another information is given to you is that a sub 1 is equal to 3. So a sub 1 is the first number in the sequence. So what this recursive formula is telling you is that if the first number is 3, how you find the next number after the first is you just add 5. So it's going to be 3 plus 5. It's going to be plus 5 is equal to 8. And then plus 5 is equal to 13. And then plus 5 is equal to 18. Okay? And then plus 5 is equal to 20, 23, and so on. Okay, and so on, following the recursive formula. Again, that's the first number, a sub 1. And then you're adding 5. That's what this part is telling you. And then you're adding 5 again. That's what that 5 is telling you. You're adding 5 again. And then you're adding 5 again. All right. Now, it's not always addition. Sometimes it's some other operation. Let's take number 2. If the recursive formula is a sub n is equal to 3 times a sub n minus 1, and your first, a sub 1, or the first number in the sequence, is negative 5. So you always start with a sub 1, which is negative 5. So negative 5, how you get the number after negative 5, this recursive formula is telling you to multiply by 3. So negative 5 times 3 is equal to negative 15. And then the next number is going to be negative 15 times 3 again. It's going to be negative 45. And then the next number is going to be negative 45 times 3 again. It's going to be negative 135. And so on, and it continues. All right. So, for example, you were asked, give the first 5 numbers. So you just go 1, 2, 3, 4 until you get to 5, and so on. All right. So again, in this formula, the recursive formula is telling you, beginning from negative 5, in order to get the next number, you multiply by 3. It's going to be times 3, and then you do that over and over, until you get to the number that you are being asked to find. It's going to be times 3. That's how you use the recursive formula.